Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Ganzhong is also called Jianzhong and is one of the foods Hakka people use to worship ancestors and gods during the middle of Ghost Month and Dragon Boat Festival. It is translucent with a sort of golden yellowish tint. After it's refrigerated and cold, mix in some sugar or honey, and it's a very chewy and delicious snack.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It's the month of May. It's the month of Dragon Boat Festival. 其實我很喜歡端午節這個節日，你知道嗎？
為什麼呢？
因為有好多吃的東西，然後又可以去參加划龍舟比賽，其實我還蠻喜歡的。
你划過嗎？
我以前划過哦，
真的，
但十幾年沒划了。然後又可以放假，so I love it.
是
Yes. And we're going to talk more about what the Hakka do during Dragon Boat Festival. For instance, we all know we have to eat rice dumplings, 都要吃粽子。可是粽子其實有分很多種，對不對？
對啊，我們之前就教了好幾種了。可是有一種，我想你應該有吃過。
哪一種？
金黃色的。
金黃色的，其實
有一點點透明的。
哦，它沾糖的那種，對不對？
對啦，
對啊，就是這種。You know what? I've had this before. I haven't had it in a long time. It's a type of rice dumpling. 它其實是比較冷的嘛，冰的嘛。
對，通常我們都是冷的，放涼了這時候來吃，沾糖。客家話叫鹼粽。
鹼粽，哦，就鹼粽啊。
對。
Okay. This is a special type of dumpling. It's mainly of rice only, and it's got a golden, yellow color texture to it. And usually they refrigerate it, and then after you refrigerate it, you take it out and you dip it into sugar.
我們在吃鹼粽哈，那個客家人不單是在端午節的時候吃，連那個慶捏班的時候也要吃。
7月半嗎？
對，7月半。
Oh, that's right. So this type of dumpling is being eaten not only during Dragon Boat, but also during the Ghost Month or the Mid-Ghost Festival as well. Let's go ahead and teach that term again. 它叫做什麼粽？
鹼粽。
鹼粽。Okay, 鹼粽. It's a very simple type of rice dumpling, and then you dip it into sugar, 糖。除了糖還可以沾別的嗎？
沾那個膨糖。
膨糖，葡萄。
不是膨就是蜜蜂。
哦，是啊。
膨糖就是蜂蜜。
這還蠻有趣的。膨糖。Okay, that's actually honey, so you can dip it in honey as well. So there's an alternative to the rice dumplings out there. This is a little bit more sweet. Let's review those terms again. It's called a 鹼粽.
鹼粽.
You can dip it into sugar, 糖, or into honey, 蜂蜜.
膨糖.
Okay, so there you have it. Let's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affair.